Are your important emails ending up in the spam folder instead of your customers' inboxes? Well, this is a common challenge that can cost you valuable leads, but also a lot of money. But don't worry, because here at Warmy, we can help you fix this. In the current times of now, 21% of all emails never actually make it to the inbox. Instead, they're getting lost in the void of space, bouncing back, or getting lost entirely. And because of this, a lot of businesses are losing out on potential revenue, client leads, and interactions. And then on top of this, if you have misconfigured DNS settings, then this is only going to make your problem worse and harm your overall email deliverability. But luckily, fixing your email deliverability is very easy. And if you utilize Warmy's set of tools, then this makes your problem even easier to solve. Well, this is how Warmy works. We simulate real human interaction by sending and receiving different emails and moving them about, again, mimicking real human interaction. And over a period of time, we increase the volume of the emails that we send, and this also increases your sender reputation. So this means then, when you send these emails to other email providers, they will see that you are a trusted sender, and therefore those emails won't go to the spam, they will go directly to the inbox. And additionally, Warmy guides you through setting up your DNS records correctly so you can authenticate your emails. And the result of this is that you have more delivered emails, higher open rates, and more leads. And we do all of this by utilizing Adeline AI, which is our cutting edge AI technology. Now go ahead and watch this short brief video to show you how you can sign up to Warmy. First off, you need to sign up for your 7-day free trial, and then you need to put in your details so you create an account to go onto the Warmy dashboard. What you want to do next is connect your email provider so it's connected to the Warmy dashboard. And now that you're here and you want to utilize Adeline AI, you want to come over to settings. And then once you're on settings, you can see here you have control of the speed of increasing your temperature. But if you want to put it down to low, to slow mode, you can see that there. Or alternatively, you can put it across to fast mode. You can come down to here, put in your details, put in the maximum emails per day, and then press save, and you're good to go. And customers who have used Warmy have seen an overall 35% increase in their open rates. This means they have new business opportunities, new leads, new ways of generating revenue for their business. And then this gives them also more time to work on their strategy because Warmy is taking care of their email deliverability. So if you want to boost your email deliverability, making sure that those emails are going to the inbox, then go down below to the video description, click on the link where you'll be able to book a call with one of our email deliverability experts who will help you optimize your email deliverability, taking it from here to that next level. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.